I think
Bro,
that is
तुम लोग ने
one-
एनिमल देखी है by the way?
अभी नहीं, I have to watch it.
I
I'm yet
watched
to
half
watch
of it.
I'm yet to watch
सारे
it,
कह
bro.
रहे थे बहुत फजूल है.
No,
मुझे भी-
no.
मैं I was
I'm pretty sure
under
it's
the
a good
impression
movie.
I was
Animal
watching
देख लो.
something so
It's
bad.
a good discussion to have because मैंने Animal देखी और मैंने कहा कि because everybody's saying it's a really misogynistic film, it portrays everything that is bad in society and like violence promote हो रहा है and everything, but it is damn good cinema. It is
हाँ,
what
so that is
cinema
all
is supposed
true.
to be.
Bro,
You know?
violence तो Tarantino पता नहीं कब
that's
से
what
क्या
I mean.
कर रहा है. Like, I
Coming from a
hate this
Tarantino fan,
conversation, bro. When people
Yeah.
say कि violence नहीं होनी
So when you take
Bro, what the fuck are you talking
when you
about? It's a
take
movie.
creative, exactly. When you take a creative concept and you make a film on it, and then people discuss the legalities or the morality of that, to me it doesn't make much sense because यार वो एक creative piece है, वो एक
हाँ,
art है.
हाँ,
वो
हाँ.
एक second just look at it like art.
तुमने मनोज बाजपेयी का वो इंटरव्यू सुना?
कौन सा वाला?
Yeah, Manoj Bajpayee gave this really good interview. He's
वो गालियां देता है.
नहीं
अच्छा,
जिसमें
वो
वो
तो
लड़की
विजय
होती है, वो उसको
राज
इसी
का।
बारे में बात कर रही होती है, and she says, what do you have to say about these films that portray misogyny and like toxic masculinity and all of these things? ये तो society को किस तरह का message दे रही है फलाना है वो. He said, if you want to take the onus of holding such films accountable for the effects they're going to have on society, then what about that entire population in the world? If they start taking an onus against films that show the opposite of
Yeah,
what you're talking about,
100%.
which is the open culture, sex and drugs and alcohol,
Yeah,
etc.,
yeah.
etc., and like not even just that,
It's
just
it's misogynist people start saying Barbie shouldn't be made. Why should it not be made? You know?
Yeah,
कि
it's-
Barbie जो है ना हमारे बच्चों को सिखा रहा है कि फेमिनिज्म अच्छा है, तो Barbie बैन कर दो. गलत बात है भाई.
exactly, bro. It's not if you guys basically if
हर-
this lot is heard about the creation of art, तो फिर bro.
हम रिपीट उस
अच्छा, हम
conversation पे
repeat.
चले गए. मगर
लेकिन-
हाँ ब्रो, एनिमल के अंदर अब मैंने एनिमल की अगर बात करें.
लेकिन bro मनोज बाजपेयी की बात तो
मैं
चेक
भी
कर
edit
या.
ये तुम लोग कर, मैं ये एडिट करेगा ये.
अच्छा नहीं बट एनिमल
नहीं लेकिन मनोज बाजपेयी की फिट नहीं है बात.
ब्रो एनिमल
That's actually true.
बड़ा
I agree
अच्छा
with that.
सिनेमा था. रणबीर कपूर ने क्या कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है, उसके डायरेक्टर ने क्या सीक्वेंसेस लिखे हैं. आई हैड अ फन टाइम वाचिंग एनिमल. ऑब्वियसली
तूने
इट
पूरी
इज अ
नहीं
प्रॉब्लमेटिक फिल्म बट आई वॉच्ड पल्प फिक्शन एंड आई डिडंट थिंक आई नीड टू गो एंड पॉइंट अ गन एट पीपल एंड बी लाइक इंग्लिश do you speak it and you will know I am the Lord when I lay my vengeance upon you. Douche. Obviously he's a gangster. It's a bad
Yeah,
like,
do you think
it's a film.
movies लेकिन एक second, that is also true, but at the same time movies do inspire you.
Yeah.
For example, जब आप टाइटैनिक देखते हो, आपके अंदर का आशिक थोड़ा सा तो दिल आपका धड़कता तो है ना, आपके तो यार मुझे भी इस टाइप
Yeah,
का प्यार चाहिए
100%.
जिंदगी में. जब आप शाहरुख खान की कुछ होता है देखते हो तो आप कहते हो यार, यानी लड़कियां कहती हैं कि यार इस तरह का लड़का चाहिए. ये बातें true भी तो है ना.
100%.
So it's a dilemma in a way.
No, what is the dilemma?
But art
As
का
in,
purpose ही
as
यही
in
है ना
it's
कि
true and not true at the same time.
No,
Bro,
but
a film is a feeling.
I understand what you're
हाँ.
saying. I understand. I've heard the whole conversation.
हाँ.
मैं agree भी कर रहा हूँ और मैं
ये
disagree भी
तुम
कर
पूछ
रहा
रहे हो कि आर्ट का मकसद होता है कि एक फीलिंग इंस्पायर करना आपके अंदर और वो फीलिंग अच्छी होनी
तुम
चाहिए.
बेसिकली कह रहे हो कि ये है रिस्पांसिबिलिटी एक फिल्म मेकर के ऊपर that what they're writing it can have somewhat of a negative effect on
हूँ. नहीं, मैं
someone.
ये नहीं कह रहा. मैं खाली सवाल छोड़ रहा
वो
हूँ कि
devil's
ये
advocate दोनों तरफ से किया
मैं तो exactly. मैं खाली ये मैं इस चीज में मेरे पास कोई जवाब नहीं है इस चीज का. मैं खाली सवाल छोड़ रहा हूँ बाहर कि ये ट्रू भी है और ये ट्रू नहीं भी है. यानी it's up for debate.
It's if you're mentally ill or you have an issue whereby you are not fit to be part of society, whether you watch a movie or whatever, I don't think
or
that
the news.
or the news
अच्छा,
for that matter. I
Let's
don't
put
think
it this way. Let's put it this way. Visual arts that we consider moving pictures we consider movies, right?
yeah.
And we are saying that it shouldn't change your morality based on the concepts that are presented in the film.
No,
Correct?
it should.
It should.
Movies inspire morality changes in society and movies form a society.
Chalo, good that you said
is-
that because the next point was then porn shouldn't have an effect on your mental.
But it does.
And it does.
100%.
And it
So,
does.
so that goes to show that what you see is has an effect on you.
but there's a difference. Watching the film Animal once and taking that experience home and then watching another film is different from watching Animal every day and thinking that I want to be Ranbir Kapoor.
Hmm.
Hmm.
I think that audiences in 2024 are smart. Like, even if they're not, they should be smart enough to watch a film, experience it, and be like, yeah, it's fun and games, but that guy is toxic.
Also, sex, something that hyper focuses on just one thing, that is sex. Obviously, the effect that's going to have on anyone's mental being is something that can't be put in comparison to a film that's made, and the effect that that film is going to have on someone's mental being, because that has emotional stages in it. The emotional stage in the world of porn is just, oh shit, here's a large pizza, I f***ed up your order, oh, how do I pay you now? That's it. That's
And
the
also,
so obviously
now
there's
we
no
know
narrative, there's nothing. It's serving only one part of your brain, that is like a sexual part of it that you're,
And
wo to-
also, generally, bro, it is, I think, if we live in a society that focuses on very minor shit and makes it into a debate, rather than worrying about animal leaving an impact on the generation, worry about books that you teach kids that leave an impact. हम अपने syllabus के अंदर बड़ी अजीब चीजें पढ़ाते हैं बच्चों को, वो हटाओ, क्योंकि वो बच्चे सीरियस होकर पढ़ते
कुछ
हैं.
गलत चीजें भी पढ़ाते हैं
बहुत
bro.
गलत चीजें पढ़ाते
My
हैं, factually
dad,
incorrect चीजें
my
पढ़ाते हैं.
जो वो होता नहीं था शायर शेर में ये फरमा रहे हैं, my school up until grade 6th I think was, हमें ना वो शायरी पढ़ा रहे थे, और उसका जो तर्जुमा था ना, मतलब जो तहरीर थी, जो भी तहरीर कहते हैं ना, जो भी कहते हैं, जो मायनी था उन शेरों, वो उन्होंने जो अपने आशिक ने महबूब के लिए लिखा हुआ था ना, द टीचर्स वर टीचिंग अस दोज शेर एज इन अ कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट लाइट के, वो उसमें रिलीजन आ गया था, उसमें पाकिस्तान इंडिया आ गया था, उसमें पता नहीं क्या क्या आ गया था, एंड एवरीथिंग दैट द शायर वाज एक्चुअली नॉट फरमाइंग. ठीक है, they just said this is what he's talking about. It's like I say that Shakespeare was actually never talking about love. He was talking about, like,
He was talking about the
poverty and world
industrial
economics and like
revolution
industrial
the impact
revolution
of
and all of that
imperial-
stuff, bro. Like,